Today we have the 2018 BMW 1 Series. This vehicle has done just over 52,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access media, communication, map and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control, and if we press our sport mode button we can switch between Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle we can see that it has a full leather black interior.